trim this part out. So the part right now it's recording, you won't see it. Should I keep this part recording or not? No. What, wait, we're supposed to go in?
We have 4 people, we're not going in.
Well, I'm going on their team now. Go. Oh, okay, we're good. Alright, let's go.
Ready? I'm on it. What is it?
It's fun to slow down. Oh, it's over here. Let me show you. It's behind that box right there. If it's still there. You got it? Yeah.
GoPro. Is it recording?
Yeah.
My YouTube.
I'll edit. No, I'm gonna edit this part out. I'm just gonna record it when it starts. But I can't like hit the buttons with my gloves, so it's just recording now.
My cousin does work. His GoPro don't work.
It's not very good.
You got the, oh, the actual one?
Yeah, I have that too.
Ready?
Hello,
Are we gonna get the guys in there? Here, you spot low and I'm gonna shoot right over you.
Why? Advance.
Well, I mean, once you get to the window, then I'll stop shooting.
Well, I'll make it.
Let's see how far it's coming. No, I'm not gonna shoot. No, those guys have good guns. Some guy over there has like a really good scope. It's like it's an APAC scope, which is really good. This is a bad story. I'm gonna get right behind you. Still in one piece.
Not sure for how long.
Hello, YouTube. This is my gun.
My YouTube, I have a right.
I'm editing this out. I think I have like 20. Does it say in the box how much time is left on the recording? It should say like 20 minutes. I think it's like 20 minutes.
If you're recording for 4 minutes, though. Yeah.
Well, the round before, it took 12 minutes. I mean, it's probably around the same. Whichever, should I put in both or whichever one's better?
We should put them both.
Alright, more things to say, yeah. Are you kidding me? I can't see right now. Are you serious? Can you make sure it's still shooting? Well, sometimes it's... So yeah, I'm gonna get in here. I'm just gonna yell go and we're gonna shot at it.
If you get your multicam, we're looking really good together.
I know, I'm gonna probably get that soon. The camera doesn't cost that much. No respawn. Okay. Alright, it's gonna be recording now. That's what you see.
Go!
Yeah, get in here, get in here. Call out what you see! Call out what you see! Yep, watch out. Good?